Hey there, welcome to the first video of building a practical Shopify app with React Router. And in this video, I will discuss why you should build a Shopify app and the requirement for this course, plus some other information. The first thing you might ask is why should I build a Shopify app over anything else? If you're not in the Shopify business, it might be a good question, but if you're already in Shopify, you know how important this is and how easily you can gain success when building Shopify app. Let me give you an example. In Shopify app market, there are a lot of apps, but it does not mean you cannot build the app again. There is always competition, but the one who builds the best app is the one who will succeed. It will take a while to gain success in this market, but it is still a good time to build your app. I'll give you a few examples. For example, in the homepage of Shopify, this is my Shopify. I know this app in the past 5 years, and I'm sure this app alone is making probably like a few million every year. I'll give you another example. If I search for something like bundle, these are a basic app. Think of them as a mobile app or a WordPress plugin. Let's go to this one. This is the first app. This is probably one of the most popular app in the Shopify market, and the founder is also sharing a lot of the statistics about this app. What this app is offering in the product page, it is going to show you all of this bundle. And instead of buying one, you can buy two and get some discounts. This is exactly what the app is doing. And if I show you the LinkedIn profile of the developer or the founder of this app, they have showed like the 2025 wrap up. But a few months ago, I think it was a month ago, yeah, it was 1 month ago, they shared this data. Now, if I view this post, this is exactly why you should build a Shopify app. Their business is making 1 million MRR, like 1 million monthly recurring revenue every month from these Shopify apps. They have a few apps in the market. Like if I go there, I can go to their profile and show you some of the existing app that they have. This one is, it has some selling plan. This one has selling plan. This one has selling plan. These two apps are free. Most of the revenue come from this coaching bundle. And to be honest, this app is not difficult to build. It is how they market it and how they grow their business. Okay, there are still opportunities for you to grow. It is not the only bundle app. Like there are a lot of other bundle app. For example, I show you another example. White Bundle, the founder of White Bundle, if you know them from Twitter, he have been talking about it in the past 2 years that he is making like 50,000 MRR. Lately, I have not seen him sharing more details about the app, but in the past 2 years, he used to make like 50k MRR from a single app. That is how easy it is to build Shopify app and then try to market it. Now, a lot of people might think, oh, there is very hard. It's like the competition is hard. That is true. But if you build the best app, people will come to you. So in this video series, I'm going to show you how you can build a practical app. The app that I'm going to build is going to be a product recommendation. So if I search for product personalization or recommendation, a lot of apps come here. I have tried a lot of them and they all have something that is missing. Now, throughout the video series, I will also teach you how you can do your research to find the best app idea. But in this video series, I'm going to build something like frequently bought together, but it is going to be on the product page. The source code is free. You can use the source code. There are some free apps, like for example, this is free, but why the people put it for free? Like if this is such a great app, why they put it for free? It will not remain free forever. This app was released like 3 years ago, but if you go to the profile of the developer, that's like interesting. That's the only app they have, and that is completely free. I don't know how their support is going to make money. It is probably by offering some services on store customization, but yeah, there are some apps like this which is for free, but the idea is to make something better than this. This is only frequently bought together, but we can do product recommendation that display on the homepage, on the product page, on checkout, and more. You can have better analytics, you can improve it, and then you can sell it. So this is the idea that I'm going to build an app for. Of course, these are like free options, but most of them have a missing piece. You can find that by going to reviews and read the reviews. The support is poor. Yeah, of course they don't have a support because the app is free. They are not charging you. That's why the support is poor. But if you go to the all reviews here, By the way, you can say, okay, the app is not free, all essential features are locked behind the paywall. Okay, that makes sense. Now you can read the reviews and find out why they put it for free. I don't know, I have not tested this app, but I have tested a lot of other apps in the recommendation category, and most of them have a missing feature, which a lot of people complain, and in the review section. So throughout this video series, first of all, we learn the basic of Shopify ecosystem. We learn how to use the API, how to use webhooks, how to configure a meta object and meta field, and the right way to use them. Now you might ask why I'm recording this video series. I also have a lot of not a lot, like a few Shopify apps, and it's like doing very well. Some of them, you can also go to PowerX. This is my latest Shopify app, which is built for Shopify, and it is managing your Shopify discount. This is one of the app that I have. I still like bring update and work on this, but the reason I make free content is because I want other people also get in the ecosystem. This app is very complex, like very complicated and complex to build. It doesn't mean that okay, I'm recording this video series and people might use it and build similar app. That's okay. The thing is, like, it is not only about building the app, it is how you are going to promote that and how you can market the app. That is the important part. That's why I use my YouTube also to promote my app, and not through with this video series, throughout the videos that I create. That is also part of this video. If I keep that to myself and do not tell you like what is the secret of marketing, you will never find that. Okay, that's why throughout the video series I will share some of the marketing tip as well. How do you market your app? I have seen a lot of people build app, but not all of them will become successful, despite having all the features, despite being so good, despite having such a great customer support. They are not growing. It's because of the marketing. Okay, marketing is like probably more important than if you like building the app. So throughout the video series, I'm going to share my honest like knowledge that I have on the marketing side, and show you how you can market your app as well. And the thing is, this video series is completely beginner friendly, and a lot of people ask this like, I'm completely beginner, can I start using it? Yes, I will make videos on the beginners categories also. In the beginning of the video, I'll tell you what this video is about. If you already know that, skip, just watch the next video. It's not about like views or anything else that I do. Just watch the video that's important to you. That's it. I hope this video has been informative, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.